O Creator who calls forth life, may this ground and our labors here invested yield good provision for the nourishing of both body and soul. As we work the soil of this garden plot, furrowing, planting, watering, and harvesting, may such acts become to us a living parable, a prayer acted out rather than spoken. As we co-labor with you and your creation to produce a beneficial harvest, may we find in such toil a kind of rest. May this plot of ground become a hallowed space, and these hours a sacred time for reflection, for conversation with friends and family, and for fellowship with you, our Creator. Through our tending of these, your delightful creations, vegetables and fruit, beans and berries, vines and stalks, and roots and flowers, renew our own tired hopes, redeem our own wearied imaginations, as we cultivate gentle order, training, pruning, weeding, and protecting. So cultivate and train our wayward hearts, O Lord, that rooted in you the forms of our lives might spread in winsome witness, maturing to bear the good fruit of grace, expressed in acts of compassionate love. Walk with us now, O Lord, in the stillness of this tilled and quiet space, that when we venture again into the still greater garden of your world, we might be prepared by the long practice of your presence to offer our lives as a true and nourishing provision to all who hunger for mercy and hope and meaning, a true and nourishing provision to all who hunger for you. Amen.